and Local 24 Storm Team meteorologist Chelsea Chandler with the Mid-South's most accurate forecast. This is Good Day Memphis on CW30.
Finally Friday, so glad you're with us here on Good Day Memphis, coming up on 7:43.
Thanks for waking up with us. Chelsea's got our eyes on the forecast outside. Yesterday was just so lovely. Today we're starting out a little soggy out there in areas.
Yeah, yesterday was as close to perfection as you're going to see for a while. But today it's still going to be warm, but we have had rain already this morning and in the overnight hours. Nothing too crazy, just some light showers. A little bit heavier right now just north of Savannah, but otherwise no lightning. Again, with most of this still focused in West Tennessee. So it does look like McNairy County getting the heaviest of the rain right now, but it's continuing to move out. We still see a little bit that is going on in Mississippi County, Arkansas, but overall, again, this will continue off and on throughout the morning. Only a 20% chance of rain. This is all thanks to this boundary, the stationary boundary that's keeping the rain here. But what we're watching is this area of low pressure attached to that cold front. You see as it continues to track east, it starts to develop a line, and that's what we're going to see impacting us as we get into the weekend. So let's look at the hour by hour this morning. Most of that rain gets out of here. Then we're just left with a few light scattered showers throughout the day. You may even hear a rumble of thunder or two, but most of this should be focused along and north of I-40. If you live south of I-40, that doesn't mean you'll stay completely dry. As you see, most of the day it looks pretty good though. So we're going to be in the 70s as we get into the afternoon. We could see another isolated shower this evening, but most of us will be nice and dry for all of your Friday night plans. So that's good news. Now overnight, not much happening. It's once we get to tomorrow morning that we start to see some scattered activity coming in as early as about 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, making its way towards the metro. This is ahead of the actual cold front itself. That will arrive, it looks like, closer to noon into northeastern Arkansas, closer to Memphis around 3 o'clock. As it continues to track east, it could pick up some steam right around this area, Holly Springs, Oxford, Corinth, where there's a little more instability. Around 5, 6 o'clock, we could see some of this becoming a little bit stronger, completely moving out, though, by 10 o'clock. So then we'll start to see the cold air filtering in. As far as rainfall, we're looking at about a quarter to a half an inch, so not a big rain event, but we do have a marginal risk for the areas that I was telling you about. That's a 1 out of 5. Isolated damaging wind would be our concern with this system. As far as temperatures right now, we are talking about pretty mild ones, 57 in Memphis, the surrounding areas in the mid to upper 50s. Throughout the day, we will see temperatures climbing, very similar to yesterday. Just won't be as pretty because you will see clouds and the potential for that rain. But by noon, 68 degrees, heading into the low 70s this afternoon for your high. So looking at your 7-day forecast today, again, isolated showers, 72 degrees. Tomorrow, a 90% chance of rain, and we start to see the impacts that cold front brings. It drops our temperature Sunday into the 50s. It's sunny and dry, but overnight we drop into the 30s. We could even see frost as an issue on Monday morning. That starts off April, and as we head into the rest of the week, we will see dry conditions and temperatures climbing back into the low 70s by the end of the week. So we'll continue to keep an eye on all of this. We'll let you know of any updates on Twitter. As long as you're following us at Local Memphis, you'll get them.